Hello class, welcome to the week 7 of Math 14 Introduction to Statistics. In this week we'll talk about two sections, section 6.1, normal probability distributions, and section 6.2, real applications of normal distributions. So here I want to have a brief introduction about normal distribution before you start. A normal distribution, sometimes called a bell curve, is a distribution that occurs naturally in many situations. For example, the bell curve is seen in some big exams like SAT or GRE. Well, most of the student will score in the middle, like a C, and then less student will score a B or a D, right? And even fewer students will score an A or an F. So this is how bell curve works. The area underneath this bell curve is considered to be 1. That means the probability of getting all the possible values is equal to 1, which makes sense. And the number right in the middle is the mean. All right, so since the area underneath the curve corresponds to its probability, we can see if there's a 50% chance a random value or randomly chosen value will be greater than the mean, and there's a 50% chance that a random chosen value will be below the mean. In these two sections, we'll talk about if you're given a certain value, let's say it's here, not knowing what, well, let's say 60, and the mean is 50, for example, and let's not talk about too specific. Okay, so we want to find out what is the percentage of the whole values, the percentage of all the values that will be above this certain value. Like basically, what is the area underneath that curve, which corresponds to the percentage of values that will be more than 60. So similarly, the percentage of the value that will be below 60 will be the area, this shaded green area. There are a lot of cases that fit into a normal distribution. For example, the heights of people, the measurement errors, the blood pressure, points in a test, IQ scores or salaries, and many more. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.